Hello hustlers, and welcome back to the Iva Hustle channel. Iva Hustle provides education for freelancers and independent contractors. Iva Hustle can help you with things from startup to expansion and beyond. We'll give you tips on setting goals, doing research, planning, money management, and more. If this is the kind of information you find helpful, please hit the like button to let us know and help us out so we can continue to produce this kind of content to help hustlers like you. We also invite you to subscribe and tap the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. And definitely share it on your social media to help get the messages out to others seeking the information we provide. In today's economy, you should remember, Iva Hustle, do you? Then act on it. Welcome to day 21 of our special 30-day freelance business money mindset challenge. In this episode we'll discuss dash. As a freelancer, is your money objective to play to win or lose? Numerous professionals agree that your best chance of success is to be well prepared. There are numerous unique varieties of readiness. Students study to prepare for exams, athletes train their bodies for competition, and police officers go through extensive training. Success has a significantly greater psychological impact when one is both physically and mentally prepared. In order to comprehend how to win, you must also learn how to lose. You will learn valuable lessons by losing. It's crucial to remember that losing shouldn't be interpreted as an indictment of your skill, rather, it should be viewed as a tool for improving your performance. One can transform losing into a positive experience by managing one's future emotions and analyzing subpar performance. Many psychologists believe that success is difficult, if not almost impossible, without first setting a defined set of goals. Nevertheless, your goals must be reasonable and attainable. The first step to success is setting goals, which also serve as your roadmap for success. As vital as developing an honest set of goals is picturing success. If a person cannot see themselves as winners, they will never succeed. In general, not losing is less stressful for people than winning. Too many people believe that losing is easier than winning. The process of winning involves planning, training, dedication, and goals. This formula is frequently beyond the mental reach of many. Those who have the capacity to envision themselves as successful achieve it via planning and tenacity. If you've never been successful, you need to define success for yourself. It's simply easier for many people to stick with who they have always been rather than choosing someone who other people will hold in greater regard, be envious of, or even criticize. Planning, goal setting, creating a vision, and acting are all necessary to be a winner. Simply put, adopting the mentality that success and failure are both easy can help you succeed in all of your pursuits, whether they include sports, family, work, or finances. Okay, that's all for this episode. We look forward to you joining us daily for the next 30 days and learn how to improve your money EQ. But if you don't want to wait the full 30 days, visit our Gumroad page and download your copy of the Iva Hustle 30-day freelance business money mindset challenge. Do you want to learn more about how you can get your freelance business off the ground? Head on over to the Iva Hustle on Gumroad and grab yourself the Iva Hustle Freelance Business Startup Kit. The Iva Hustle Freelance Business Startup Kit will teach you how to gain the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss and create a life you'll love. You can also grab a copy of the Iva Hustle Big Book of Freelancing from Amazon. It's full of startup ideas, including instructions to start freelancing quickly using the skills you already have. You'll find the 27 top side gigs for today's markets inside, along with step-by-step instructions for getting up and running fast with your business. Iva Hustle is here to help you increase your freelance gig income. For more information about Iva Hustle, visit us at ivihustle.com or click the link in the description below. Again, if you found the information helpful, please hit the like button. It lets us know what kind of content to produce to help hustlers like you. While you're doing that, please share this video to help others learn more about being an expert freelancer. This way you'll be able to show yourself as someone who knows how to find the facts and substantiate their expertise. We invite you to subscribe and tap the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. Please visit the IBA Hustles Gumroad page for ebooks, merch, and reports. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos. Follow us on social media. Until tomorrow, hustlers.